Well, the clock is ticking for tens of thousands of healthcare workers for Advocate Aurora Health to get vaccinated for COVID-19. The healthcare provider announced a mandate earlier this month, and that prompted 100 people to come out and protest at the Aurora Medical Center in Kenosha. That's where we find CBS 58's Frank Healy with more details tonight. Frank.
Amanda, those protesters lined most of the sidewalk here outside of the Aurora Medical Center. When speaking to some of these protesters, most of them said that they are not anti-vaccine necessarily. They are protesting against this mandate, and some of them even said they'd be willing to lose their job over their right to not get the COVID-19 vaccine.
I'm 100% willing to lose my job over this. I don't even see it as losing my job. I'm negotiating life and making a choice.
Rhiannon McGraw, one of many healthcare workers, family members, and sympathetic individuals out at the protest today.
Freedom of choice!
Her and registered nurse Erica George say the protest isn't against the vaccine itself, but rather the mandate. They voiced concerns about the emergency authorization for COVID-19 vaccines given by the FDA.
We just want to make the decision when we want to make the decision and not be enforced at a timeline.
Organizer of the protest, Amber Hand, says while she doesn't work in healthcare, she knows people who are concerned about speaking out.
Everyone who works at the hospital, they're not allowed to say what's going on. Either they get the vaccine or they're fired. And they've worked a whole year without a vaccine, saving us, and now it's our turn to save them.
But other healthcare workers feel differently. Dr. Hashim Zebak, pharmacist at Hyatt Pharmacy, says healthcare workers like himself set an important example for the public by getting the vaccine, which the CDC says is proven to be safe and effective.
If they have a negative opinion about the vaccine, they're going to transmit that negative opinion to a lot of people.
Dr. Zebak says right now, the vaccine is the best tool for getting things back to normal and keeping people safe.
For me, as a person, I would like to go back to my normal life, and we know that now with the Delta variant that's set us back one step.
And Aurora Healthcare officials had this to say about the protest today. We continue to believe that requiring vaccines for all our team members is the right thing to do to keep our patients, communities, and each other safe and healthy. We respect our team members' right to peaceful protest, and at the same time, our top priority is to provide high-quality, safe care for our patients who depend on us. The deadline for this mandate is October 15th. Live in Kenosha, Frank Healy, CBS 58 News.
Frank, thank you. And our coronavirus coverage continues online. For the latest information about new COVID policies and updates on the vaccine, all you have to do is go to our website, cbs58.com.